In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 99 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 9. We know that 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, we get 1. 1 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this number 9 here. Now 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract, we get 1. Now see that 1 is less than 2 and there is no number to bring down here. That is why we will put a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. Now 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 99 divided by 2 is equal to 49.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.